Hi friends, we are going to work with vowel sounds today. This is called the Vowel Intensive part of our reading word work. I took some note cards, just plain old index cards, and I folded them up in half, and then I wrote the vowel on each index card. You could use Post-it notes. You could just grab a sheet of paper and write down all the letters that comprise our vowels, so A, E, I, O, U. And then when we do this work, you could simply point to the vowel that we're working with. So you do need to have access to some kind of material for this drill, and or you could work with me on the screen, whatever's easiest for you. So let's get started. You can pause this until you're ready, and then turn me back on when you're ready to work with our vowel sounds. Okay, so here is how the activity works. I'm going to say a sound. I might say part of a word or a whole word, which we'll get to at the end of the drill. And what you're listening for is the vowel sound that you hear. So first, we're just going to start with the isolated sounds. I'm going to say the sound first, and then you're going to repeat the sound after me, and then you're going to select the vowel that makes that sound. So the first sound I'm going to give you is the sound ah. You say that sound. Ah. Good. Now let's select the card. A says ah. Good. Let's try another one. You say the sound. You says I. You say the sound. I says I. The next sound is eh. You say the sound. E says eh. The next sound is ah. You say the sound. Ah. O says ah. Good job. You got the hang of it, right? Okay, so now I'm going to give you a part of a word, and I want you to repeat the part and then find the vowel that makes the sound. So the sound is ut. You say it. Ut. You says in ut. In. I says I in. Ot. O says ah in ot. Ep. E says in ep. Ab. A says in ab. Lag. You repeat that word. Lag. A says in lag. Palm. O says in palm. Mib. I says in mib. Zet. E says in zet. Null. U says in null. Okay, we have a few more to try. You're doing great. Let's try the word stop. stop. O says ah in stop. Crib, crib. I says I in crib. Met, met. E says in met. Strap, strap. A says in strap. Rut, rut. U says in rut. Good job, friends. See you soon.